This is called the touch module, which reacts to a touch and acts like a switch. And it is used in household appliances like induction stoves, switches, etc. But they are heavy duty touch modules. This is still a miniature DIY. So we're going to make a DIY project out of this touch module. So stay till the end of the video to learn how to do this DIY project. Firstly, take a look of this touch module, which is barely an inch long. Is it? Mm, I think it's 2 centimeters. I don't know how much centimeters make 1 inch. So leave it. So take a outlook of this touch module. It has a round boundary where we can touch, and the worst part is we have to solder the pins, which is very difficult for me to solder very small spots. And on the inside, you have this little chip which handles the touch sensitivity, and you have this little LED to tell the touch if you have touched or not, and a resistor for the LED. So it fell down. So you have three pins here. One is for positive, one is for connecting to the positive terminal of the battery, and negative GND and input or output. So you can program this also. Okay, nice. Project make a project out of it. So we place the touch module firstly on the breadboard, and then we take an LED and connect it to the output. That is, center pin is the output, and the last pin is the negative, that is the left rightmost pin on my side, and connect the battery there. I have recharged the battery to the breadboard. Okay, I have made the connections, positive to positive, negative to negative, and LED is positive to the output and negative to the negative. Now I'll touch it. Hey, why the LED is not glowing? Firstly, look at that. I'll show you. I'll zoom it to you. See, I didn't even touch it. See how many centimeters I'm ahead. See, I didn't even touch it. It's detecting. It's detecting from a long distance. Hey, hey, how? And the LED is glowing, as you can see. But why this LED is not glowing? Oh, it's a photoresistor, not LED. Sorry, it's a photoresistor. Uh, Sorry, it's not an LED. It's a photoresistor. It is a type of something which detects the light to work. And now this is the LED. It looks exactly like a LED. See, there's no difference between this and this. That's that. See, there's no difference between this. Only the head is different. When the filament is same. So we'll get about that later. Now the LED are connected. Ground. Ah. Now I'll check it. Why the image is blurry? Ah. Now, hey, I didn't even reach. See, the LED is going. Wow, wow. I didn't even touch it. See, I'll show you. See, I didn't even touch it. See how many centimeters I have up. See, it's detecting from a long distance. Wow, how? So I have made my touch switch. Yay! I could hang it on my table, and but whenever I touch and not touch, it's going off. So I need a microcontroller to control it. So okay, later I will program it and show it to you. Later in the later videos I will show you. So if you will, don't forget to subscribe Rohit Abotar so that you will get more videos like this. Wow, I came to know that this miniature is not only 2 centimeters long, but also it can detect my hand within 2 centimeters itself. By not touching itself, it can detect the hand. So wow, it's such a great module for beginners to start with. So I hope that you have understood this video. So don't forget to subscribe Rohit Roboter so that you will get more videos like this, and my videos will also reach towards you.